Hey guys, how's it going? Now we all still are using WhatsApp despite all of the issues and the privacy faults and everything else and all that stuff. WhatsApp still remains a part of our lives. And well, a lot of us are actually using voice messages, but obviously text messages still remain the primary form of contacting someone using WhatsApp. But did you guys know that WhatsApp comes with a lot of text editing features? Well, that's what this video is all about. This is one from Guiding Tech, and in today's video, I'll show you how you can use WhatsApp inbuilt features and a couple of third-party tools to add some amazing effects to your text on WhatsApp. Let's get started. Now, WhatsApp comes with a built-in feature that lets you make your messages bold. To do so, add an asterisk mark before and after the message. For instance, in the message Android is better than iOS, if you want to highlight the word better, you need to write it like this. Android is asterisk better asterisk than iOS. Once you do that, you will see that the text is now bold. Tap on send and that's it. Similarly, if you want to make the text italic, you can do that too. To do so, add underscore before and after the text. For instance, in the message be careful what you wish for, the word careful will appear in italic. Now sometimes you want to create a dramatic effect of striking out text to represent a correction or iteration. That is also possible by adding a strike through to your message. To do that, place a tilde on both sides of the words. Now let's say you want to write Instagram is the best social network by cutting Facebook. You need to enter the text like this and well, as you can see, the result works very well. Now other than the standard font, WhatsApp also supports the Monospace font by default. To change the font, enclose the text in 3 backticks. As such, this is how the text should be looking, and when you finally send it, you will get a different font look like this. Now instead of using the shortcuts on formatting the text, you can also use the built-in settings. So on Android, tap and hold the message and choose the appropriate formatting option. Tap on the 3-dot icon to view other options. On iPhone, you can tap and hold the text and then select the option that states BIU. Then select the formatting options from bold, italic, strike through and monospace. Now interestingly, you can also combine all these formatting options. To do so, enclose the text in the respective symbols. The only thing that you need to take care is of the order. For instance, the symbol that was entered first will be closed last. Alternatively, you can touch and hold the method button to change the text format. First select one option and then highlight the text again and select another option. Okay, now this is more of a display feature where you can change the size of your WhatsApp fonts. On your Android device, open the WhatsApp app and then tap on the 3-dot icon at the top right corner. Select settings and then go to charts and then tap on font size. Select the font size of your choice from the 3 options, namely small, medium and large. Now another trick that is exclusive to Android devices is the ability to change the text color. However, WhatsApp doesn't officially support this feature, so you'll need to download a third-party app called Blue Words. Download the app on your device and then enter the text whose color you want to change in the typing area. Then tap the blue icon and touch the message to copy it. Go back to WhatsApp and paste the text that you just copied. Now while WhatsApp doesn't support any other font app than Monospace, you can still use the previously mentioned app to change font styles as well. Just enter the text and copy paste into WhatsApp. Lastly, are you a fan of emojis? Well, you can take that love to typing everything in emojis. For that, download the Emoji Letter Maker. In the app, enter the letters and the emojis, then using the settings, modify it and share with others on WhatsApp. And well, that was it. If you like this video, make sure to let us know by giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more awesome tech content. Till then, this is Varun from Guiding Tech and I'll see you in the next one.